growing up in the hood, I remember us having conversations, me and a couple of the homies, about what we gonna do once we get out the hood and how we want to live. Like, we want to get out the hood. Now it seems like a person want to co-sign that, oh, I'm from the hood, I'm from here, I live here. Like, like it's something to be proud of. It's a controlled environment. Whatever hood you from, you only from there because you didn't have no choice. Your family didn't have no choice. We had to be there. You see what I'm saying? They put us there. So yeah, that's our hood, and whatever hood you want to claim, but everybody want to get out that shit. You see what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you something that I noticed. Even in the city of Phoenix, since I've been here, on a few different interviews and different associations doing contracts, I done had a lot of them ask me, "Oh man, what part of the South Side you stay on?" I said, "I don't stay on the South Side. I stay on the North Side. Like I stay in North Phoenix." And he was like, "Oh, okay, my bad." A lot of them, but why do you think they ask me that? Because they think or they consider us to be from the lower end all the time. But our goal is to get out of it.